Selling digital products is one of the most popular ways for creators and online coaches to earn a significant amount of money online today. And the best part, anybody can do it. You just need to create content around your skills, but showcase your skills broadly inside those digital products, courses, PDFs, whatever they are. And today I'm going to walk you through how to create your digital product, how to set up your online store, how to set up your custom domain, and how to make your brand look like a pro from day one by using a .store domain. Let's get started. First things first, you need to pick your digital product. So basically understand what type of skill you have and how you can deliver it to people and offer value to people by choosing the format for that digital product as well. So what I can recommend is that you don't focus on many problems at once in your digital product, but instead focus on solving one problem at a time for your audience with a digital product. Let me give you a few examples. As a fitness coach, one of your digital products can be a 4-week workout plan, PDF. As a social media manager, you can sell an Instagram content calendar template. As a designer, you can sell website themes. As a photographer, you can sell Lightroom presets. And as a finance creator, you can sell a budgeting spreadsheet. Now, the best digital product come from questions that your audience already asks you and from problems you see them having on a day-to-day basis. So if you're stuck, you don't know which digital products to create, make sure to look at the last 20 comments or DMs you got from your audience and figure out what problem they have that they need solving. And look for patterns. For step number 2, we start creating the digital product. You don't need to overcomplicate this. Don't go into using programs that you don't know. You can use Canva really easily, Word, and transform it into a PDF. Use something that is handy to you, that you know how to use, and that helps you deliver your digital product the best. So your job is to keep the design clean and to make their job easier with your digital product. Whether you sell a $7 spreadsheet or you sell a $200 online course, that digital product should make their job easier and should be really easy to use. So you don't want to overcomplicate this. So when you're done creating your PDF, your online course, you need to package this into one downloadable file, or make sure to have it all inside one folder in your online course platform, for example. And if your template needs instructions, make sure to also include a PDF with instructions on how to use them. Now, once you know exactly which products you want to start your store with, it is time to set up your online store. And for that, you can use Elementor with WooCommerce, you can use Shopify, or whatever you like. So what you will want to set up is a homepage, a product page, a shop page if you sell multiple digital products, a thank you page, automatic digital file delivery, and email receipts. So you need to make sure that everything goes smoothly. When somebody purchases your digital product, they receive it immediately after purchase in their inbox. So you need to set up all those emails as well. But now when it comes to the credibility of your online store, what matters most for selling is your domain. Your domain is your storefront sign. It tells your customers what your website is before they even click on it, which is why a .store domain fits perfectly for digital product sellers. Now here's why coaches and creators love .store domains. .store is the perfect domain to sell anything online, one that actually helps you sell more. A detailed study shows websites on a .store domain get 87% more traffic and rank 2 times higher on Google. When customers see your .store domain, they instantly know is where they can buy your product. There's no confusion there. And it is trusted by over 1.5 million sellers, including names like Mr. Beast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, and more. So for your brand, clarity means more conversions. So when you're choosing your .store domain, you can choose your name, .store, or your brand name, .store, or something that inspires the type of digital products that you're selling. So you need to make it memorable, short, and clear so people understand what you're selling. Now, by using the link below and the code in the description, you get your .store domain for only 99 cents. It is a super special offer you don't want to miss. Once you go to the link below and you get your .store domain, it is time to connect it to your website. And it is done really easily. Inside your Shopify store or WooCommerce, you go to Domains, click Connect Existing Domain, paste your .store domain name, and follow the quick verify prompts. It only takes a couple of minutes and your store already looks like a premium brand. Once your website is set up and the design is ready, it is time to start uploading your digital product. So in WooCommerce, for example, you can start adding the product. Make sure to click that it is a digital product, add the PDFs or the zip folder that you want to offer, a few images, a detailed description on what the product is, exactly what the customer will receive, and mention in the description that it is a digital product as well and nothing physical will be delivered. Your PDFs can include the template links, license files, and more. Now, how do you launch these digital products to your audience and prepare them for what's to come and the products that you're launching? You can share early behind the scenes to build anticipation, and on your social media accounts, talk about that problem that a digital product will solve a lot in the past weeks from launching your product. You can also offer a limited time price for the first 100 buyers. For example, they get a special offer. You can create content showing product transformations or how the product has helped your audience, and make sure to add your .store domain in your bio on all your social accounts. A memorable domain like your name, .store, makes it so easy to convert because people click instantly, they know what it is, they know that that is where you sell your products. And as a bonus, when you buy a .store domain, you unlock Elevate.store, which is a totally free toolkit for online sellers. It includes exclusive deals for software you're probably already using, Canva, Shopify, AutoDS, and more. It is open to everyone, but .store domain users get better deals. So if you're ready to start creating a new income stream with digital products, make sure to check out .store domains at the link in the description and get your domain for only 99 cents. I really suggest checking it out. It is built for entrepreneurs that want to build more. Make sure to let me know in the comments if you're selling a digital product, what is it, and what is your website's domain name. That helps people understand that is your online store. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!